India is a major player in the global dry fruit market, exporting cashews, raisins, dried mangoes, dates, and pistachios. Key markets include the United Arab Emirates, the USA, and Bangladesh. Prominent exporters like Nani Agro Foods and Pissam Food Services lead the industry. The global dry fruits market is booming, driven by health trends and plant-based diets. Valued at USD 66.5 billion in 2023, it's projected to reach USD 86.3 billion by 2029. India's market is also growing, expected to hit USD 12.7 billion by 2029. India's dry fruits find significant markets in the United Arab Emirates, the USA, and Bangladesh. These countries import large quantities, making them crucial for Indian exporters. Iraq and Saudi Arabia are also emerging as fast-growing markets. Top Indian exporters include Nani Agro Foods, Sri Sham Impex, and Grace Enterprises. These companies are pivotal in meeting global demand. They leverage India's diverse climate to produce high-quality dry fruits like almonds and walnuts. To export dry fruits, conduct market research, complete necessary registrations like GST and APIDA, and identify potential buyers. Utilize platforms like exportimportdata.in for insights and connections. Proper documentation and quality certification are essential for success. Exporting dry fruits from India is a lucrative opportunity. By understanding market trends and regulatory requirements, businesses can tap into the growing global demand for these nutritious products. For more information, visit exportimportdata.in.